Hi, my name is Tara Loden. My disease research is on Legionella pneumophila. This is the bacteria that causes Legionnaire's disease. Legionnaire's disease cellular makeup is gram-negative, aerobic, intracellular, and it's rod-shaped bacteria. This has a flagella. It is 2 to 20 micrometers in length, and it has pili or fimbriae. This is a picture of Legionella pneumophila. In July 1976, hundreds of people gathered in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, for the 200th anniversary of the Declaration of Independence during an American Legion convention. Hundreds were stricken with severe pneumonia. 29 of those died from the disease. A year later, in 1977, the Centers for Disease Control in Atlanta, Georgia, identified the cause of the infections. Legionella pneumophila bacterial infection is named Legionnaire's disease after this incident. There are over 43 species of Legionella bacteria. 20 of those cause infection in humans. 85% of those that infect human are subspecies Legionella pneumophila. Entry and infection sites. Entry is made through the nasal or oral cavity through inhalation. Rarely is it through a wound site, and rarely does it spread throughout the body. Bacteria settle in the lungs. Within 4 hours of infection, replication of the bacteria starts. Signs and symptoms begin within 2 to 10 days of infection. This bacteria is not contagious human to human. Legionella pneumophila is found in the environment, in lakes, rivers, ponds, streams, swamps, and anywhere there is warm, fresh water. In the living or workplace, they are found in hot tubs, in cleaning towers, plumbing systems, and anywhere there is warm, stagnant water. The signs of infection range in severity from a mild cough to rapidly progressing pneumonia, coma, or even death. Hospitalization is common with this bacterial infection. 5 to 30% result in death. 8,000 to 18,000 are hospitalized per year. Symptoms include headache, fever, fatigue, loss of appetite, aching of muscles and joints, a dry cough progressing to a phlegm-producing cough, shortness of breath, difficulty breathing, chills, chest pain, and gastrointestinal problems. Pontiac fever is a milder form of Legionella. It has much of the same symptoms. Pontiac fever, however, only lasts from 2 to 5 days. It does not cause pneumonia, and it requires no treatment. Legionella diagnosis is made through urinary antigen test as well as chest x-rays. You have to have both a positive chest x-ray and a positive urinary antigen test to be considered positive for Legionella pneumonia. Treatment is through either macrolides and beta-lactams or quinolones and azithromycins. Control in the environment. You can control Legionella pneumophila by boiling water or by chlorination. This bacteria is intracellular, which means inside the host. They parasitize protozoa or humans. They cannot replicate outside of a host. This picture shows bacteria inside of an amoeba. The arrows are pointing to actual bacteria in the process of replication. As you can see, right here, this bacteria has started splitting, forming two bacteria. This is a diagram of the life cycle of Legionella pneumophila. You have both the entry of the amoeba and the entry of the macrophage. Next, you will see where replication starts when it enters into the host cell. After replication has begun, after it is finished, then in this diagram you can see entry into an amoeba or entry into a macrophage. In the next picture you can see where the bacteria replicates. The following picture shows after replication, this bacteria will actually go around and eat the inside of the host cell, which causes death of the host cell or necrosis, apoptosis. After the cell dies, it will expel the newly replicated bacteria out into the environment for them to find a new host cell to begin replication again. And this has been my presentation on Legionella pneumophila. Do you have any questions?
Is it possible to get Legionnaires from public water supply? I know you said that it came from stagnant water, but is it possible with treated water from the public water supply?
No, it is not. You would have to aspirate untreated water to be able to get this bacteria. Any other questions?
Is it transferable from human to human?
No, it is not transferable from human to human. Okay, thank you. This has been my presentation.